Ciao everyone, it's Marchettino and today I show you the brand new look of my Abarth 500. To all those who are new to this channel, I am owner of an Abarth 500 that I own since a decade, and yeah, in case you're wondering, for today's video I'm using the car cover of my Ferrari. Sadly, I don't have a car cover for the Abarth. So why is it covered? If you already know my car. Well, basically, I have kept my car for about 6-7 years wrapped matte satin blue. About a month ago, I decided to unwrap the car and to enjoy the car with its original paint, red. But then I've noticed that it's not very good to keep the car wrapped for such a long time. In fact, a lot of parts of the body of the car were damaged. The paint was just faded. It was terrible. So the car has been away for about a month, and now I'm gonna show you the new look. Because of the damage of the paint, I have decided to repaint it again, but with a few new cosmetical changes. As you can see, the Ferrari car cover doesn't really cover completely the Abarth, so here's a little spoiler for you, and let me show you a second spoiler. So guys, I think now it's time to turn the cover and show you my car. So guys, finally, there she is! You can bet that I'm quite excited to take you for a tour around my newly refreshed 500 Abarth. You can bet that a lot of work has been done to refresh the look of my car, because we haven't changed just the color of the wheels. So now let me take you for a full tour to talk you about all the new things that have been done on the car. So first thing, all the car has been repainted. Way too many parts of the car were damaged, so instead of repainted a few parts, I've decided to go for a full repaint. We have gone for the same factory color, rosso sfrontato, so basically the shade is the same as factory, and looking at it repainted, my goodness. Can you tell that this car is plus 10 years old? It looks like new. Second thing, everything has been dechromed. I was starting to hate chrome, so basically all the chrome parts of the car have been repainted matte black. These were white previously, door handles matte black, and also here on the back. And just by doing this, the look of the car has changed quite a lot. But that's not all. As you remember, the wheels previously were white, and I've decided to go for a strong color. In fact, now they are painted matte gold. I think that with the red paint and with the future wrap I'm going to do with the car, I think this color will suit very nicely. And I have also a second set of OZ white wheels that will match very nice. Also, even the brake calipers have been repainted, and as you can see, you wouldn't tell that these are plus 10 years old. Previously, these were completely faded, they were terrible to look at, and now, well, I can tell they look like new. You might be thinking there's nothing new to show you, but you're wrong, because we have a few major updates that truly changed the look of the car. As you can see, here we have an extended rear wing as well as the new Biposto style side skirts. These two elements truly changed the look of the car, and I'm in love with it because now it looks even more aggressive and sporty. Just look at it closely, the side skirt and then the extended rear wing. You might be thinking, wow, it looks pretty cool in carbon fiber, but nope, it isn't. Both pieces, in fact, are made in dipped carbon fiber. They're actually not real carbon fiber. I've always been against these kind of things. I was always like, real carbon or nothing. But then I've seen closely this kind of new technology, and I was quite impressed because it looks like carbon fiber, but it's cheaper. Way cheaper. Fitting these two parts in real carbon, I think it would have been pointless because at the end of the day, even if it's carbon fiber, you're still adding weight. So just do it as a cosmetical change. I think this kind of technology of deep carbon is such a very good deal for what you pay for. Modifications are not over because, guys, I'm getting old. So I have added also some more soundproofing materials, so now my ears won't bleed every time I take this car on a road trip. To all those who have a good eye, you might have noticed that my car, being a first production vehicle, one of the first one made, here we already have the facelift rear headlights, and finally we have completed their work by fitting also the front restyling headlights. These actually are xenon, so now while driving in the night, finally I can have a decent view of the road. So guys, that was it. I've taken you for a tour around all the new things done on my Abarth. I think I'm gonna postpone my appointment to wrap again the car because the way it looks now, I'm in love with this configuration. It looks fantastic, but of course I'm biased. It's my car, I've changed everything according to my taste, but I'm very curious to know your opinion about how the way my car now looks. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching. Ciao!